everyone! Welcome to Hugot ng Kaginhawaan. So, we created this platform para po sa mga, sa lahat, no? Ng mga nakasubaybay sa mga social media. Kailangan nyo ng mga pampalakas ng, pampalakas ng buhay, pampasaya, no? And lahat na. So, I was inspired by her life. Yeah. So, she's Rona and I'm Lay. So, we're not biologically sisters, but we are sisters by the blood of Christ. Diba?
And please support our page and platform for more videos.
Yes. And to all our friends and magiging friends pa, stay tuned for more Ginhawa Moments.